What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. A mega love shoutout mga ka-RCFC all over the world. We are back for another Well Karina reaction. And this is for his performance of Where Do I Begin? In Eat Bulaga. Thank you so much po once again sa nagsend ng link for this performance, and mega love shoutout to Secretary Rochelle for uploading this. Maraming salamat po. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Isa din to sa very classic love songs.
Where do I begin
Wow.
to tell the story of how great a love can be?
Iba talaga ang diction ni Ruel. And you know the feels when he's singing, we always get that emotion.
The sweet love story that is older than the sea.
Love the low tone.
The simple truth about the love she brings to me. She fills my heart.
Oh, sobrang lambing nun. I love how he is doing this kind of rendition. Very fit sa kanyang boses and the way that Matt Monroe vocal yung ginagamit niya. He gives that emotion and feels. No, a very good storyteller. Let's go back to that. I love that switching.
About the love she brings to me. She fills my heart.
Diba? So touching.
She fills my heart.
Oh!
Very special things with angel songs and wild imaginings.
Oh my God. I love how he do the vocal escalation. Yung parang kakapusin siya. Sobrang ganda ng technique niya na yun. Balikan nga natin yung chorus, guys.
Heart,
One more.
she fills my heart with very special things.
Diba? Akala mo kakapusin eh.
Songs and wild imaginings.
Very preppy din yung outfit niya dito.
My soul with so much love. Anywhere I go.
Diba? Ayun na naman siya. Sobrang galing. I love his technique and that. And you can feel the way that he's saying it, that yung story and the message of the song, he knows how to transcend across the viewers.
Anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her around.
Oh my God, what a low tone.
Could be lonely
Diba? Storytelling.
for her hand. It's always there.
Diba? Yung low tone, tapos kung paano niya, yung kalmado lang, very serene vocal, but full of emotion, and you can feel it the way that he's singing.
How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day?
Di mo akalain talagang 15 years old lang to eh.
Answers now, but this much I can say.
Oh my God.
I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there.
Wow! There you have it, guys. That is Bunso Ruel Carino singing Where Do I Begin? Grabe. Alam mo yung chill vibe, tapos kalmado lang talaga si Ruel how he sings it, but you can feel the storytelling and the pacing of the song through his vocal, overflowing with emotion, yung feels ng kanta, talagang nailalabas niya, the diction, the enunciation, plus that vocal talaga, sobrang master niya yan. And those technique of the high notes na akala mo kinakapos, that's how he make the audience excited. Like, would he make it? Maabot niya ba talaga? But He's always on point and nailing each note, especially the high note. So, sobrang ganda. And it's nice to see nabalikan yung mga ganitong performances nila Ruel noon when they just started. Kasi makita mo yung improvement, no? They're so good na before, but now the way that they perform is so different from before. Kaya naman nakakatawang mapanood yung mga previous performances nila. And of course, it's like a trip down memory lane how everything started for Ruel Carino. So thank you so much for requesting this reaction for today and sending me the link. And of course, if you have more links of their performances, you can comment down below or you can send me directly to my Instagram, truly John Valencia. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.